just left, and it's time to find Sprinkle. She's not in that room. Is she in this room? I don't see her either. Is she in this room? Was she in the bedroom when we woke up? Did you see? Is she in your bedroom? I don't see her, man. You want to look in our bedroom again? Oh, what other room is left? The bathroom? She's just right there in front of us! Oh my goodness! Sprinkle! What are you doing? Sprinkle! It's a scavenger hunt. She wrote you a note. It says, find something chocolate. Should we find something chocolate? Okay. Found something chocolate. Okay. So we did 18. Or wait, we're at 21, right? Yep. That one right there. Another ball. And it's chocolate. Sprinkle, we found chocolate. You want to tell her we found chocolate?
I found chocolate maker.
Alright, what else does she have here? Find something red. Find something red. Find something red. She chooses the green thing. This is a messy area of Christmas. Find something red. Can you find something red? Can you see something red on the Christmas tree? Yeah, there's a bunch of red things on the Christmas tree. Go find a red thing. You see something red? Look, Santa Claus is red. That's red. This is red. This train is red. This seat is red from a Mabeleen. This lantern, that's red. This pug has red outfit on. This house is red. This star is red. This is a red ribbon. And that's red on the back of your picture from last year. There's a red gnome here in the red candy cane. And Bubba is decked out all in red. You see that? Okay, Sprinkle, we found red. And Sprinkle is all in red, and so is Santa Claus, and so is this card. That's all red. Find something that lights up. Find something that lights up. Go find it. What lights up?
Christmas light.
Oh, good. Sprinkle, we found something that lights up. Christmas lights lights up, don't they? Yeah. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Sprinkle, we found all the things. Thank you for the scavenger hunt.
Find them.
You want to find it again? Oh, is it just because you want to find chocolate again? You're silly. Yeah, I know you do. Good morning, girls. Are you ready to come out? Go on, girls. You love it. And they're out of here. You want to go get your chickens? You can go after them. Don't pick them up, okay? They need to be out running free. I don't know, but look at this mess of this yard. It just kind of got drowned by the monsoon of rain that we had. You want me to get you? Here's the girls. And this is what happens if Texas your stuff dies off because it gets cold, and then new buds come up because it literally feels like spring out here.
I hear birds, Mommy.
You hear birds? Look at all these plant buds. Is that pretty cool? Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. Yeah, baby.
There's my chickens.
There's your chickens.
And a coop, please.
No, they just got out of the coop. They're ready to be out. That's for sure. So we're having a hard time getting the girls to put themselves up at night. So they had to stay 4 days in the coop to reestablish their home. So they are ready to be out, let me tell you. They're going to have a fantastic day out. That's for sure. Look at these birds thinking it's spring. Look at that bird thinking it's spring. And this guy over there. Guys, it's winter. It's a sunny day, but it's still winter, guys. Just letting you know that. But you sound so pretty. Christmas crafts, Christmas crafts. You're doing a fantastic job painting Santa. Is that a Santa mask? Look. Oh, I love it. Looks so good, baby. They're doing crazy legs like you were. She's doing crazy legs like you were. Whoop. Me too. No. Yeah, like that, Mama. She doesn't do it. She holds her boobs too. Wow, Mama's poop. Woo! You wore me out, kiddo.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Before we start this Mabeleen mail, we're going to do a couple disclaimers. Number one, it's not really a disclaimer. Number one, this either may be included in the vlog or a separate vlog. I don't know yet. Depends on how long this is going to be. We've got a package here, another one from our actual personal friend, Miss J.
I want to rip that.
Okay, hold on.
To rip that?
And then here we have a box of Christmas goodies from
Mama.
the Stacy Light Cap. Why do we
Lightcap.
always put a the in there?
I don't know. But
The
it's the Stacy
Light
Lightcap.
Cap.
The one and only.
Anyways, and disclaimer, we don't
Open that.
ask for
Open
this.
that.
We don't.
Solicit in any way.
You don't need. Nobody has to send us anything
ever.
at all.
The only
Hold on,
thing
I'll
we
help you.
ever ask for is postcards, letters, and pictures.
Yeah, that you could draw or take of yourself or something, because that's pretty awesome. Okay, pull that tab. This is the first one, and it's from Miss J. What in the what?
What
What
the
is that?
what?
The what?
What the
What
what?
is it? I can't
What
see
the
it.
what? What the what?
Do you know what that is?
No.
What that is?
It's an echo dot.
I don't know what that
Echo
means.
dot.
You can.
Echo dot.
I'm 42. I don't know what that means.
Echo dot.
It's basically a
Echo
stationary.
dot.
It's basically a stationary robot that helps you with everything. You could say, "Hey Alexa, will you play Elvis?" And she just starts up playing Elvis. "Hey Alexa, can you play the most popular Christmas songs?" And she plays it. "Hey Alexa, can you You can set it up with your smart TV, your phones. You be like, hey Alexa, can you tape something tonight? Or whenever the next one things. It depends on, you can wake it up. You can attach it to lights in your house.
What are you doing, Miss J?
Did you?
I don't think that was a gunshot. That is a gunshot. Can you give me the phone? No. It's going after.
Yeah.
Hang on. Why don't you go in the bathroom?
Come here, baby. Come here. I know. It's okay. Mommy's here.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Wow. That's the top.
Mm-hmm.
Miss J got us an Alexa. Is that what it's called?
I have no idea.
Yeah, Alexa. We may have to call this Echo because that's just going to confuse Mabel because our neighbor's daughter is Alexa. Miss J.
Cool. That's cool. That's.
But we appreciate it. And that, how special is that?
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
That's really cool.
Are you going to talk to Echo too? We're going to call her Echo. Are you going to talk to her too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can tell her to just play certain songs.
Elvis.
Yeah. You say, hello, Echo, or you could just say, Echo, play Elvis, and she'll just play Elvis for you. She's like, I have more control. All right, now this is Stacy Lightcap.
Open it.
All right,
I thought
let's
you might.
bring this over here. Let's open up the cord first. Hold on. The cord, the card.
The Ivies.
What's that?
That's a design.
Oh. Hey, do you have to go pee-pee? Do you have to go pee-pee?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, let me see.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Echo?
Echo.
That's Echo's favorite letter.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Echo.
Mm-hmm.
This is from Stacy.
Stacy Lightcap.
Mm-hmm. Let me read it. Okay, it says, Carrie, Chentel, Mabel, and Horton, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy these chicken-themed gifts.
Papa said, dog spikes.
For
Mommy.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
It's okay
For years to come, it is the least I could do for all
that you have given me.
that you have given me. Love, Mabeleen, Stacy Lightcap. That is like, that's a beautiful card.
Cord.
This is a picture I took of a tapestry hanging in the Isabella Stewart Gardner House Museum in Boston.
Oh yeah, I remember
I
that.
sent you pictures of the garden while we were
Yes.
there, remember?
I do remember that.
That's cool.
Open it. It's open it.
Let's save this paper for our purpose.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Oh my goodness! Hey! She's
It's
into
a princess
Peppa.
Peppa.
Okay.
Peppa.
Here, you go right here and I'll give stuff to you. Here, let's look at the Peppa first. That's a fairy
That's
super cute.
Peppa!
The perfect egg. Oh! We're about ready in February to have eggs.
Eggs.
Wait,
From the
baby.
chickens.
And so
We hope.
Stacy, yeah, we hope, gave us all about eggs
I love it.
and what we can be able to do with eggs. The perfect egg.
Look at those colors.
A fresh take on recipes for morning, noon, and night. Thank you
I
so
could
much.
eat eggs morning, noon, and night. I love eggs.
Okay. This one's broke, Stacy. Oh no. Oh, it's a little chick.
Oh no.
and coming out a little chick that hatched.
Oh, that's cute.
It's all broken. Stacy,
Oh,
I'm
look.
so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
So sorry. Okay, let me finish opening these glasses.
Just in case they're broken, okay?
Yeah. This one I think is the duplicate to that one.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute.
Oh,
That's
that's cute.
That is a little chick.
That's not
Remember?
broken.
Do you remember when our
It's
chicks
not
were that
broken.
little?
That's not broken.
No,
No, that's a
That's
good one, huh?
fine.
it's just fine. And this one feels
So
fine.
Oh,
Oh!
those are some
That's
cute
big
chicks.
These are almost all of our chicks.
Yeah, that looks
except
just
that
like our
yellow
chicks.
one.
Yep.
Stacy, this
That's
is
great.
fantastic. Mother of chickens.
That's right.
That's fantastic.
I love it.
Okay,
That's
let me keep this.
fantastic.
All right, now you can go, baby. Here, I'll pull this stuff out and this because I think the rest is yours. A Peppa ornament.
That's for
Yeah, roasted chicken.
No, I apologize for yawning like crazy. I've
Okay,
got
we
a
will-
very long
we will.
day.
We will,
I
baby.
see.
Yeah!
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Hold on, hold on,
Yep,
hold on.
glass right here. Okay.
Peppa!
Oh my gosh. First of all,
Oh my God.
Are those
these aren't chicken themed, but I'm guessing you just liked it.
Oh my God.
You are so excited. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh.
What?
Stacy got Mabel a chicken dress.
That is fantastic.
Is that a Peppa drawing book?
And a basket for our eggs.
Oh, fantastic! I was thinking about how we were going to
And
gather
a
eggs.
towel.
And
a
a towel with a chicken on it.
Oh, I love this so much. That's gonna be the chicken towel.
Yep.
Oh,
These are great.
chicken towel
Chicken basket.
in this basket.
Perfection.
Let me see. There's a little embroidered chicken. Oh. Stacy, this is so
This is
sweet.
very sweet and super cool.
Look at this summer chicken dress for Mabel. Dress or shirt?
I love these
One
chickens.
of them. Oh, this dress is adorable.
It is adorable.
I haven't showed them that. Ornaments.
Chickens.
3 chicken ornaments.
Fantastic.
I love it. Look, that's chicken ornament.
Put them on the tree.
You can have one on your tree, and then we'll put the other 2 on the big tree. What do you think about that?
Yeah,
I
we
think-
can do that.
We can do that. That's
Yeah.
a plan. That's a good
Oh.
That's a
plan.
plan. We can do that.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you so much, Stacy.
So awesome.
This is so thoughtful, and I love the chicken stuff and the Peppa stuff. Oh, did you show them this? Sun, Sea, and Snow Peppa DVD. I don't know if we even showed the fairy, did we?
Yeah.
Look how adorable this Peppa fairy is. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, Stacy.
Merry Christmas.
What do you think about that?
Music,
Echo.
Pandora, Spotify, NPR, CNN, or what's it? So,
What?
What?
Echo next.
Echo mix. Echo mix.
Miss J, I have to admit, I wasn't 100% sure what this was when we opened it. Because I am so far out of the technology loop now that I don't work at Depot.
Echo.
But I have had a chance to look this up, and this is friggin' amazing. I cannot, I don't,
Go.
And I don't-
this is so cool.
And I don't think you even know. I don't even think you really know what it all will do until I tell you.
That is so, thanks baby. That is so freaking cool. I want to try it.
Yeah, we'll plug it in. Alright guys, that's the end of the Mabeleen mail. Do you want to stop the camera, Mabel? Press the button. Not the light, baby. The button on the camera.
On the no,
Mabel.
on the phone. Hit the stop button on the phone.
Blanket.
What about your blankets? You're silly.
And the bear. And the bear.
You're silly.
No bear.
She just wants the microphone, Mama.
Gotcha. She is covered in jewels.
You don't have to eat the microphone, baby. Her tongue was all over it on this side. Okay.
Sticks with Mrs. Claus. 10 games every night.
Pick up sticks.
It's me again, Dilly from Yummy. Do you know why we elves wear shoes with curly toes? So we can hang them by the fire to dry. Isn't that clever? It's very handy on a snowy day.
That's all. Yeah, we missed 2 days. Say louder.
Didn't hear her.
Next song.
Hey, already? You just started this one.
Next song.
It worked, baby. You did it. You like Echo?
Echo. Echo. Play Great Balls of Fire by Jerry Lee Lewis.
Great Balls of Fire by Jerry Lee Lewis.
There's a man insane. You broke my will. Oh, what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Stop your foot.
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
5 till 4. 4 days till Christmas. You ready for bed? Oh my goodness, you look super cute. You look super beautiful. Look at me, Mabes. Look, there's your orange juice medicine. Take a drink.
Why are we shy all of a sudden?
Take a drink, baby. This little mug.
Too cute.
That's my girl right there. It's so cute. You silly goose. That bottom lip. That'll help you sleep better. That medicine. Oh, it's good. Delicious. Okay. Let's say good night to our friends. 4 days till Christmas. 3 days for you. And it's almost 3 days for us. Because it is nighttime.
That's right. Mabel's already asleep.
Uh-huh.
They're snoring.
Miss J, I think she loves the echo more than we do. Which is
awesome.
Which is a big deal because
She got awesome.
because we think she's awesome. But once Mabel will get it down, you know, like loud enough, get it down like how to do it and everything, she's gonna even more love it. She just told, what'd she say? Oh yeah, we laid down and she goes, I miss Echo. Think of that.
That's pretty cool.
I know it. Alright. I told her, I said she's the family pet robot. Alright, we are so grateful and so thankful for both you, Miss J, and Stacy for your Christmas presents to us.
We love them so very much.
Thank you
and
so,
you guys,
so much.
We love you very much.
I know it. Miss J, we miss you. Miss J. I'm hungry too? What? Say thumbs.
What dog?
Oh, are we pretending to be dogs?
Uh-huh.
Okay, say thumbs up the vlog.
Yeah?
Say subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, boop.
Boop!
Bye, boop.